Amanda Lochner bought this Honda 5 years ago when she first started teaching. Now it's totaled.
I honestly don't know what to think. I've had just sheer panic attacks off and on since it happened.
The elementary school band teacher was finishing up some work in her classroom when the storm struck.
We all hunkered down in my storage room and then escaped out when it was time.
Lochner's car wasn't where she parked it. It was about 20 feet away, on its side, in the library.
So it didn't really sink in until I came back that what had happened and the devastation and how lucky I really was to survive.
Unreal.
Assistant Superintendent John Reed describes the storm that hit Henryville schools Friday.
We're calculating about 40% of the building was destroyed.
Reed says class has been called off this week until a more permanent school decision can be made. That gives Lochner, a University of Louisville grad, some time to go car shopping.
I think it's time I get a red car. So maybe red car is in store.